Okay, it's a new week at Paved To Pines. We have a boardroom table. Okay, so first you guys saw office is getting furnished. It is getting very close to completion. Other than that, in the shop, the builds that we have going, so that is Gandalf, SKOOLIE, and Rooster. They're all flying. Look at that table. Nothing fancy, we're just running out of room. And we need to be able to fit 10 bodies. Okay, here's a quick look at some of the furniture setup. This is going to be an office. That looks like it's for a kid. So I think we're gonna have to replace that. That's the morning meeting corner nook. We're gonna have stools here. Kitchen's looking good. Sink went in. And we got some running water. Behind me, all the cabinets went in. Okay, let's go pop into Rooster first. Cabinets going in? Yeah. Oh baby. Okay, change of plans. We're gonna pop into Gandalf first. Incredible!
What? That's what we've been talking about all day, Cole, that you're going to be the first person to hit your head on that.
Are you okay, Cole?
I'm fine.
So Cole's always hitting his head. The boys just installed this. Contemplated putting a flag up for him.
He installed it!
I installed it.
Okay, some very big furniture, cabinetry going in. What is that, a wardrobe?
Pantry. Wardrobe's already in, man.
You guys are already ahead of me.
Yeah, it's not adjusted, it's in though.
Okay, so the back of the bus is already installed. Once these boys are done moving all the furniture in, then I'll get you a little close up. Okay, while these guys get the kitchen cabinet set, I think now's a good time to show off the rear wardrobes.
Hi there.
Hi there. Look at those charcoal. Might be a little bit hard to see. Lights aren't the best right now.
I'm actually working on that right now.
Oh, these aren't set yet. You're working on that right now?
Yeah, getting the lights turned on here.
Okay, Dakota's getting lights for us. So these are just full wardrobes, adjustable shelves. Wow. We got our toilet in, showers all protected. That'll be coming off. There's a look right there. And in the shadows, look at that vanity. So charcoal again, doors and drawers. So this is still gonna be getting a countertop across to the top of it. And then I believe sink sits on this side. Other than that, it's just a little nook for towels or, well, whatever you want. Okay, so here are the cabinets, the faces, the drawers that'll be actually getting installed once they get boxes mounted in Gandalf. It is really coming together fast. Awesome job by Topline Cabinetry out of Saskatoon. Those guys crushed it. That's all I got about the cabinets. Okay, the goal with the cabinets, as far as Gandalf's build goes, probably finished by Monday, Tuesday next week. It'll be close. Let's head into Rooster. Oh, attaboy, John. Always gets stuck with the big lifts. Okay, hopping into Rooster. It's looking good. We got our copper. I think you guys saw that already. This sink is unwrapped. Unfortunately, all the cabinets are covered. So you're gonna get a peek of those at the end, I think. Gotta protect them. We're moving in all the big stuff. What else do we got? Oh, this moved in, so that's new. Fridge is in here. Office is done. It's been done for a little while. Take a couple steps up. Bathroom is pretty much done. Just waiting to put on faucet finishing touches. We got our rails up, handrails to get in and out of bed, both sides. Lights are up, reading lights. The AC unit, that's all finalized. What do we got under here? Okay, so there's our electrical system. Frank got that wrapped up super quick. We've got our inverter, 400 amp hour battery bank, huge solar controller. What else? Alternator charger right there. And neat and tidy. Oh, I did just realize all the lights are installed.
Oh, yours truly, baby.
That was you too?
Yeah, basically an apprentice.
All right, Dakota's turning into a little bit of an electrical man. Frank's been training him up, and that's just the majority of the work he's been getting. Okay, this I don't think I talked about yet. So these clients have a couple kitties. This is the cat shelf. Oh. Okay, it is Friday at 4:23. The week really got away from me. A lot has happened in the shop. Obviously, you can see behind me. This is the new office. So this is my new office. We're just waiting on glass to go in. I'll have a little couch back there. But right now, let's go pop out in the shop. Give you a quick update on SKOOLIE. I think only trim got done. And maybe a quick update on Gandalf. Okay, so it looks like, well, give me a second to inspect here. Okay, so just trim, I believe, has been done, which is a very big job. Look at that stuff. So casing, trim, whoa, just missed that step there. Do you know what width this is? Is it 4? Is this 4" or 3?
Most of the trim is 1x4.
1x4?
Yeah.
All right, so this is just primed MDF, 3.5" 1x4. Casing, custom window casing. Okay, so now that window trim, well, now that all the trim's done, next step would be, okay, next step is filling all the nail holes, sanding those out, and then the first coat of primer will be going on trim first, then our first coat of primer on flat surfaces, and then it's time for paint.